Hey everyone, Dakota and
Drake from Motor Bros here.
Today our truck broke down last night at like 10 or 11 p.m. when I went to go pick this idiot up from his girlfriend's, or rather halfway to his girlfriend's. It broke down. Our stepmother had to call AAA for us. And the guy that towed us our truck was very skilled because he parked it right between a tree and a car. So yeah, even our friend's tow company couldn't do that. Anyways, we're gonna take the reason the belt snapped is because the idler pulley stopped working, we think, because it was taking a whole shit ton. So we're gonna take all this off, the hose, this, oh well, I don't know about the hose, we don't have any money for the pulley. But we're gonna take this, wipe the fan cowl off, we're gonna take the idler pulley off and hopefully replace it.
This is the new idle pulley, guys. Me and my brother literally have been trying to get this bearing to move for like 3 days straight, and it's now rolling my like my skateboard bearings.
Watch out, Jake.
I'm sorry.
I don't know if you guys can see it right there, but as you can see, there's a strand missing off the belt. So that's why we're replacing the idler pulley.
Yeah, it's right here. Yeah, it's right here. Oh, dude, it's caught in the fan. It's caught in the fan. Dude.
I have a quick question.
What?
How does one strand of belt just...
I don't know.
That's interesting. How does one strand of belt get caught up in a fan like that? That's not even a lot of belt. It's just one strand.
Looks like a belt to me.
It is.
Hey guys, we're doing everything by hand, guys, because our truck's a mess right now.
And we can't find any of our damn tools.
Because me and Rick get sometimes lazy and we get tired or whatever after work or whatever, working all day.
Not only that, but we're sick, so bear with us.
I'm getting better. He's been worse for the past 2 days.
No, I got better. I'm getting better. It's just it's taking some time.
Because he didn't use natural remedies, I do.
No, I've been taking NyQuil, so that's why I'm getting better.
You also have to take honey too, dumbass.
I don't do all that. That's just disgusting. I'd rather do it the old school way.
Which is what, taking medicines
Yep.
like that? That's not the old school way, dude.
This generation it is.
Sure. Guys, every night I would take at least a teaspoon of honey or two. Or every morning, take a teaspoon of honey. And that's what's been keeping my voice at stake.
That's disgusting.
Oh, well. It soothes your tonsils. It takes the swelling down a little bit. But yeah, guys, honey has some ingredients that are natural that will actually help your throat.
Good for you. I don't give a damn.
I was telling the viewers, you
I know.
butt nugget. God
Oh,
dang
they're
it.
really good ones, too. Just wipe them out.
You are a complete butt nugget for no daggone reason. Do zip ties.
Throw the...
Do a cookie.
Or I could just do this. Instead of the grip string.
Ah!
Never mind. They can do it. I need clippers.
The gripper is back.
Well, I
Right.
can do it. Just... Hold on. No, come on, you fucking boy.
Stop cussing. Remember, we don't cuss. We don't ever cuss on YouTube channel, remember?
I do.
That's because you're...
Shut up. Okay, I need clippers. I can't do it with these.
You're not ignorant, you just refuse to stop cursing. Can't find any other ones right now. We got a pair of 10 cents, guys, but we don't know where their eyes are at right now. And for those new viewers, you know, bear with us or whatever, because yes, we're still working on scooters and whatnot, we're still flipping them or whatever. But it's just taking us a little bit.
For the old viewers?
Yeah, for the old viewers, we still work on scooters. It's just right now, our truck is the one that delivers our money right now.
That, and it also hauls scooters so we can flip them and sell them for you guys. If that's down, then there's nothing we can do with scooters.
Right.
And our truck makes us money, so that's how we fix scooters as well. So.
And right now we got a brand new scooter right behind our truck.
That we haven't shown on the channel yet because we want to be able to get the parts for. One of the parts is coming. So.
Yeah, there's a wire missing or a connector missing for the fuse box, which we have a couple fuses in the carport, so.
Yeah. Give me a big wrench with the 15 on it.
Big wrench. Is that the idler pulley?
Yep.
No way.
Yep.
Oh, dude, it's shot.
Drake, the belt's on it.
Oh.
Give me a big wrench with the 15 with an extension if you can. What? See if I can. I got it. Turns out y'all use one on just this truck.
What do you mean? Oh, crap all the man.
Okay, what I want you to do is this. Oh, never mind, I guess I got it.
Yeah, apparently you do. Some might neg on reason.
I don't think that would actually work. Okay.
That doesn't like the idler pulley, bud.
It is.
It seems to be a little bit kind of warped.
We're just gonna have to replace it anyways. I'm not dealing with all this crap.
Who the heck? I don't know.
I don't even think I
Guys,
wanna know.
some weird stuff goes on in the neighborhood. We don't know about it. We just don't pay attention. Ouch. Come on, can I drop that right now? I'm about to wait until you get that pulley back on. Yeah, how the hell is that supposed to work? Dude, that's not supposed to look like that. I think that's idler pulley took out, dude. What?
This is an idler pulley.
Hey, damn, whatever. Damn.
Dude, if it doesn't have anything attached to it, and it's right here, you can see it's an idler pulley.
Damn, fine, damn.
Although this isn't stuck, so. Oh, okay, yeah, it's definitely bad.
Oh, it's regulating.
That's not supposed to have any play.
wiggle room. Yeah.
Okay, let me see if I can bend these stupid things back and forth.
That was messed up, man.
Can
Yeah,
you go
guys.
get me a regular screwdriver, please?
Phillips.
No, flathead.
Oh my god, that's a flathead right there you're using.
Yes, but it's too big.
Oh my god, is that what she said?
Not the smartest idea, but we gotta roll with it, y'all.
What are you trying to do?
When the tab's back and forth, so we can replace that.
It's been a whole 10 minutes, dude.
Ain't no way.
Yeah, it's been a whole 10 minutes.
Damn.
This iPhone 7 Plus is quite old, too. Like 2017.
Oh, fuck.
What now?
Shit.
Let's let him go finally.
Yo.
What? The fuck do you mean by that? Is it gonna work?
We need to find a bearing or something. Something that's wide enough to fit inside that hole, but wide enough so that it doesn't stay outside the hole.
There it is. What I spent 3 minutes doing. That's not big enough, dude. That's not really like. That's gonna cross out the whole thing.
That'll work.
What?
It'll go in the other way.
Make sure it goes in all the way. But yeah, sorry guys, a little bit of phone delay. I'm using my iPhone 7 Plus right now because iPhone 11 that we normally record on is currently being charged. And there are no edits to these videos, no cuts, no nothing. So you get the full experience of what the hell we basically on a daily basis for trucks and whatnot. Motor cars or anything, really.
Well, we have a new problem. Unless we can find one of those small ass scooter bearings, we don't have another one.
Oh god.
Because that's not supposed to be like that. I mean, I could probably torque it down, but it might still move.
That is your new air pulley.
Still has a whole bunch of oil all over it, though.
Huh? That's probably why the boat snapped. I guarantee it. You hear me?
Yeah.
Or the belt started losing its tread. Let's get some gravy, man. And dude, I think that's some fluid right there.
What?
This is all fluid.
Steering fluid.
Yeah.
It's coming from that line that I just replaced the O-ring on.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yep.
Is there a bottom line in that place? Yeah, you do. You put the O-ring in the bottom line.
Yeah, but I'm gonna wait till later to do that.
Why don't you do it now?
Because I don't feel like taking a shower right now.
Right. Alright, tell the audience that.
Huh?
We're still recording, you know.
Okay. So?
Sorry guys, a little bit shaky, but the wind's literally just, it's a cheap, it's a $15 Walmart, tripod. So if you see a little bit of shakiness,
bitch!
don't worry about it. What's up? What's up?
Hang on, I'll show you.
You pulled the bearing out of it, didn't you? You pulled the bearing out of it, didn't you?
Boom. I didn't realize that was a thing.
What do you mean?
Glad I looked at the idler pulley.
Oh, that popped right out?
Apparently.
Come on now. Come on now.
I didn't know that was a thing.
I didn't know either until you took it out. Yeah,
everybody in the audience, the viewers, is probably screaming, you forgot to take the goddamn spacer off.
down.
It's got to be torqued down. It
Oh,
moves
dude, look.
And no wiggle.
Oh, yeah, dude, it's fucking solid. Literally, look.
Oh, hell. Oh, and it's. Ooh, hell yeah.
Yo. We just fixed our idler pulley.
Yeah, because before that had a shit ton of
And this pulley's off our dad's old truck. One of them. I think it's a Tahoe.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, Tahoe. Before you
still need to replace the belt.
I guess call Dad, let him know we got the belt, we got the pulley on.
Yep. I got it. You're recording. Take the belt off.
There it goes.
Henry called me this morning to check and see how I was doing.
Oh, he did?
Yeah.
Sounds like something.
Yeah. He's like family to us, dude.
He is. We've helped him out as much as we helped him out so many times. We've helped him out of jam. He's helped us have a jam.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, come on. Well, like the sons that he ever had.
The sons that he never wanted but wish he had.
Yeah.
That's what he told me.
That's like an asshole driving that, right?
I didn't think he was trying to make it. Idler pulley replaced. doing the power steering pump now. Or we replace one. Oh, we just got to replace the bottom one.
Okay, this is the brand new belt we had. Really brand new, and it got shredded by the outer loop pulley when it was shaking really bad.
FYI, never, ever, ever let your power steering pump line leak all over your engine. Or anything that has fluids coming out of it.
Yeah, never do that.
It's brand new belt that we have to replace now.
Look at a brand new belt. Not even a year old. And it's shredded.
Not even a month old, dude. It's like 2 weeks old.
Yeah, not even a year old, dude. Like I said. So it seems better than the other one does.
Yeah, right? No one didn't even hardly spin.
Right up there?
Yeah, I'll be fine. Been that pig since this morning. Need to get some
Oh,
flavors.
crap. I
What?
think it's shaking really bad.
Did you put the steaks in it? Go put the steaks in it.
I don't know if my steaks in there, Brian, or not.
Where's the big ass adjustable wrench? Big ass adjustable wrench for a truck like that. Okay, y'all. We'll be right back. We gotta let this sit for a few minutes, so if you want to skip over this part, I don't know how to use YouTube editing yet, and neither does my brother. So skip over this part, and we'll be right back.
Hold the engine look brand new and don't get in the throttle body.
I already did.
Alright,
Don't open it!
I'm trying to. Every single thing that's pressure fluid.
Yep.
Have you ever put overhead on that?
Yep. I don't even know if I got the alternator all the way.
What do you mean?
Huh?
What do you mean? Let's put inside the alternator, not much.
The alternator is made to get wet. Why do you think it's called pressure washing an engine?
Oh.
Just let that sit for a few minutes and you should be okay.
We really saying that now. There's a bunch of rust spots in here I'm concerned about. All these rust right here, I'm concerned about. Yo.
What?
Get some steel wool or whatever and clean the crap out of this throttle body right here.
What?
Get some steel wool or whatever and clean out the inside of this throttle body. That's not good. Dirty shit.
Drake, that's from this.
All that rust spot.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Get a piece of steel wool or something. Or steel scrubber.
That's coming from that. There's water or something coming out of that. Move, move, move.
It's being degreaser on our bumper. No use. You need to find new anyways.
I know, but I'm trying to clean out the front of the engine.
No point doing that either, fella. We need a new condenser. We need a new radiator.
We don't need a new, well, actually maybe, I don't know.
We need a new radiator. Dude, it's the original. It's the truck.
It doesn't matter if it's not cracked, leave it alone. But in this case, I don't really know if it's cracked or not, so.
On this one, we're missing that. Oh, that bracket.
The one over here. The whole thing.
Yeah, we're missing that.
This is practically empty. Here you go.
The hell, dude? All the shit I bought?
We bought.
These are been 31 minutes.
Yeah, and?
Just don't get the phone away. It's not waterproof anymore. Oh, they did survive a massive rainstorm the other night.
Oh.
Oh, no, it's in my pocket. Oh, wait. My clothes are quick dry.
The raincoat?
No, I had you know the new gym shorts that David's mom bought us? Christmas or whatever? I use those and the Nike t-shirt, black and white Nike t-shirt. That's vintage. So what I'm thinking is, after the rain stops or whatever, I dry very quickly. Massive very quickly. Hard to sweat. give it a few minutes?
Yeah, but I'm getting the hose ready.
You know what?
I am getting the hose ready.
Oh. Oh, dude, don't touch the lady.
No big deal.
Come on. Hope you guys are alright with the stuff we're doing today. I mean, we did tear apart almost tear apart the inside of the engine, so. Took the fan shroud off, took the air vent hose off. Now you're ready to water it down. Dude! Don't spray in the water, buddy. Watch it.
Shut up.
Yo! Get me wet! I don't want to be wet. Hello? Dude, I just needed the chamois out here or something. What about water down?
Get the throttle thing off so I can clean that. I sprayed that down. Just put it on the concrete, facing that way.
This way?
Yeah. No, like turn it around. Face the hose that way. No! Face that straight like this. Yes. Damn kid, you are slow.
Yeah, I got my meds. Whoa, hold on. Yeah, I wasn't gonna
Hold that. Put that somewhere where it won't get dirty.
Dude, everywhere here is dirty.
Disconnect the battery. Make it work. Yeah, so do I. You can see all that shit later.
Yep. There's your first bottom hole ring.
Yo, that pool is shiny. That alternator is shiny as fuck. Go get me a rag, please, so I can point that out.
Yeah, no crap, Sherlock. Hey, if I could use another decent, I'd do that first. This right here, the knock sensor is, right, all that shit. Knock sensor 1, knock sensor 2.
If you look, I don't know if you can see it, but you see how this is flat? The knock sensor is right here. Oh. We have to get an intake gasket just to fix the knock sensor.
Hey, that's really great.
Yep.
Try to stop recording.
No. Oh, cool.
What?
Now it's right after July 31st. Still a week away.
That's 5 days. 7 days, I think.
It's actually 8 days.
Okay, this is our truck. I mean, we have to do this thing. We love working on it and everything, so. And most importantly, we love Chevys.
I love Mustangs.
Kinda. Our family has Chevys. All of our family has GM except for 2 people. That's GM. That's not GM.
Oh, okay.
Dodge, remember Dodge is Chrysler.
Dodge is also Mercedes.
Yep. Dude, you listen, this nut, you don't do that.
Why did you tighten it? Why'd you tighten it? Stop tightening shit. That's how you break. Tighten it. That is a lot of water.
Oh yeah, we need an old belt so we can get the part numbers for it. Buy me, little bud?
I already know what it is.
What is it?
You go to AutoZone. I got it inside the radio films. Why it's dripping so much.
Damn. Smell that. Okay, freeze.
Great.
And then leak.
I know it's coming from
Where?
radiator.
Oh. You're kidding, right?
Ah, at the very bottom. Right at the very bottom of the radiator. That's where it
Yep.
is.
That's what this is from. We didn't even agree it's cracked. I don't know just want to pay for that, but yeah.
$80.
Yeah, we're not gonna have to pay for that. We'll get the money, we'll do our own time.
Holy shit!
What, down the line?
It's a steady ass flow. Like, whoa, it's a steady fucking flow.
You feel the radiator before?
Under the tank.
Under the radiator?
It's looking from under the, literally right under this tank. The bottom of the tank is cracked.
Thank you for so much fluid.
Yeah.
not leaving my iPhone out here. I'm not. Sorry guys, long video, but we have to wait for the engine to dry or whatever, so we're gonna put the air box on, the fan plastics, and the radiator hose back on. So yeah. But pretty much, I'm gonna show you what the inside of the engine bay looks like right now. It looked like it had a pair of steering fluid all over the damn thing. Look how clean the engine bay is. My brother degreased the heck out of this thing. So yeah, pretty much, it all works out.
realize she was out here. She's so short I didn't even realize she was out here.
Stop doing that. Dude, it's been a whole 50 minutes.
Okay, so... Fuck me!
What?
Yep. I just checked. Separate. Yep. It's separated. I can feel it separated.
Which means you're going to go see more money.
Nope, she's not going to. Yeah, she's only going to want us $25. But the radiator's $80. No, this is. What happened? Wait, then how did you lock it?
I'll locksmith.
Wait, she didn't lock it though. The keys, she had the... Grandma, hang on! You had the keys in your hand! You had the keys in your hand. Christ. We gotta get this done. I don't care if the truck is still wet. At least it's... Oh, it's already dry. Never mind. Wow. Hold the camera closer. Oh wait, never mind. We can't do this anyways.
Why not?
We need a belt.
That's true. We need the part. Hey, you want to start recording? Alright, let's say our goodbye for the day.
Okay, well, guys, Motor Bros out for now because we need a belt and our stepmother has to get it for us. So we'll be back. There's gonna be a part 2 to this video. This video is almost an hour anyways. So I know you guys like long videos, but we're gonna have to do a part 2 because we need to get this so that we can drive our truck again. Here. Anyways, Motor Bros, peace.